doing inside the water, clearing water, clearing the bush from the water way. Clearing glass from the waterway so that we can water can. Hola. Hola. Now live video they do live. Okay. The live video is online. As you do like this. It do online as you do like this now. So everything where they talk so you do for L. All the talk where you talk finish that so. It do online. It no be like that person where they talk say now after. This one are live. What do they do now is live. Now so. Hey, put that for you. That way the front, though. Now so. Now so.
Why don't you stage like this?
We are already at the height of the walk. I think we are getting closer to where our target for the day is. That palm tree that you are seeing over there is the height of the walk, and we are already getting closer to the palm tree. So guys, I believe the government is hearing this. The Delta State government is hearing this. We need a drainage in this area that can help this particular area, that can make this area be free from waterlogged in this our environment. So guys, I believe any person that is in one way or the other connected to the government should come to our rescue, because we are suffering from water in this particular area. So guys, thank you. I believe this video have a resonate value to you, to know how to handle a waterlogged area. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
You know disappear. I mean, I'm going to take the house. I mean, I'm going to take the house. I like what I'm going to tell you. I'm not telling you.
Now that be the real place. So. No, but you see they move. Now that side be the like that side now be way. But nevertheless, if you open her, you see the okay. You go always pass. If they pass now, you know they see the current. You know they see the current. The current, the water they move. So they pass.